Hiro-san, we are back in the studio for something really interesting. Can't wait to show everyone. What are we making today, Hiro?
Sushi hand wrap.
Sushi hand wrap, yes. And this is really big on TikTok. My son actually told me about it. He says, hey, Dad, why don't you try this sushi hand wrap? So here it is. I think I've seen it before. I'm not a really big TikTok user.
I see something people do with tortilla or something.
Yeah, tortilla, absolutely. So it looks interesting. We're going to try and make it regular, vegan, fancy, and all out. All right, Hiro? Let's show everyone the ingredients.
First thing is we're going to use nori.
Right.
Right, so you're going to cut this on side and then come in like that.
Going to fold it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, of course, the sushi rice here.
Okay.
Then we're going to use the avocado, cucumber, salmon.
Our beautiful Bakkafrost Salmon, yes.
And wasabi.
Okay.
Then I'm going to use this one for the spicy salmon.
Okay. This is sesame oil,
sriracha, and kimchi sauce.
Okay.
And then kaiware, ova, black truffle, white truffle, and 2 caviars, imitation crabs, and sesame seeds. And I have mayonnaise
and some mayo
in here.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, first position gonna be the rice. Gonna put a little bit sesame seed. First, I'm going to put a little bit of wasabi on the bottom. Okay, and ova. And kaiware.
Of course, Hiro makes it look so pretty.
No, because this is the reason why this one. Tell me.
You make it look so pretty.
No, I mean, this is right on this way, right?
Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah?
Oh my goodness.
Okay,
Not only you gotta come up with it, you gotta engineer it so when you roll it up, it's gonna.
Okay, that's
work
it.
Good. All right, Hiro.
So
Let's do it.
basically, this one.
So normally you put soy sauce in, but we're not gonna make it because we're gonna take them all picture, and it's gonna be too soggy later. So
Then come in this way. Then this way, right? That's like
yeah.
I learned from that. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
Maybe I should put in more rice, but it's good, right?
Okay.
Okay, next one is kind of California roll style. So first I'm gonna do a shredding crab stick and mix with mayonnaise. I'm just gonna shred it. Then I'm gonna add the mayonnaise. Just a little sesame seeds. This crab mayo here. Cut it up.
Oh wow, now that looks good.
Next one is a spicy salmon. So first I'm gonna make a spicy salmon. kimchi sauce. Sriracha. Rice. You can put the scallion too, if you like.
Good idea.
Scallion will be nice. And spicy salmon on the next ingredients. Kaibare. Without tomatoes, it's a perfect roll.
Right? Yeah, it is.
Right next
Very
to
true.
after hand roll, you know.
Yeah. It's a nice size
And
too.
then you can put the
You put more rice, put more ingredients. Oh, beautiful. Perfectly done.
okay.
Take a look at that. Oh, I'm getting so hungry just looking at it.
Okay, last one is a little bit, you can say either fancy or a little crazy. So all caviar and truffle mixing together. So first I'm gonna make the wasabi mayonnaise. First position rice. Caviar.
That's a lot of caviar.
Yeah, I like caviar.
Okay, use it all, Hiro. Come on.
Use it all.
Right? Come on.
You
Don't
know,
be shy.
you know how much the cost of this one, right? Yeah. Anyway,
Nice.
we don't have plan to use for another recipe. So
Unbelievable. Look at this.
I
Real
I
wasabi.
should finish this one.
Oh, yeah. Caviar, 2 kinds of truffle, beautiful Bakkafrost salmon. It's going to be the ultimate.
This is really is
First class.
is in the first class. No home cooking.
No more home cooking. This is a gourmet.
Gourmet now.
Like 50 cents right there.
Oh my
Maybe
god.
more. Yeah, think about this. You got to move quick and got to eat quick. Because not the seaweed gets soggy.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Beautiful, Hiro. So good.
Take all the four is down.
Yeah, let's take a look at all 4. We got the vegan, we got the California, we have the spicy salmon, and we have the gourmet. Thank you so much to my son and his girlfriend for recommending us do this. Can't wait to try it, Hiro. If you guys like this vid home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And tell us, what would you want to put inside next? I can think of so many different things, Hiro. Maybe iguana?
Oh. You know. Lobster.
Lobster. Oh, yeah. Lobster would be wonderful.
Yeah, lobster.
All right. Thank you so much.
Right.
See you guys
Thank you
soon.
very much. See you next time.
All right. Now, Hiro's not happy with this presentation, and I don't blame him.
No. I don't want to fight with you. I want to cut in fast like this.
No, we're kidding. Yeah, just it's kind of, look at the seaweed. It's already,
Yeah, it's kind of getting a little soggy, you know.
yeah, it's getting soggy. This is the first one you made.
That's why.
So, yeah, so definitely. Now, normally you can put soy sauce on the rice already, but
Yeah.
if we did that, it'd be even more soggy. So that's why we decided not to do it for right now.
Yeah, after that, then you just eat right away.
That's a big one in California. That is a fancy vegan one, though. I can tell you that. All right, here we go.
Yes. First,
Vegan.
I'm gonna go with the bacon. I'm gonna put the little soy sauce from here. This way. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I really like the old bun here. Really fresh.
Yeah, right.
California roll next. California.
Okay.
Okay, cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Looks good. It reminds me like a burrito, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like a sushi burrito.
Mm.
But sushi burritos, you have to pack them in so tight. Everything's smushed. This one's loosely formed. Taste all the different ingredients.
Next one is spicy salmon.
Spicy salmon. I think this is going to be my favorite one of all.
Mm.
I really think so. Cheers. Enjoy. Take a look at this beautiful Bakkafrost salmon. Spicy sauce. Yeah, really good. That is excellent. If you guys can make this one at home, which you can, you guys definitely have to try it. So good. I love your spicy tuna. Your spicy salmon recipe, Hiro, is the absolute best.
Okay, last one is a little fancy.
Little fancy. This is called the Gourmet Sushi Hand Wrap.
Yeah,
Right?
I go with the straight.
You
No
know,
sauce.
can I get some soy sauce here?
You need it.
No, soy sauce on everything. Enjoy.
Okay,
Wow.
I think this is the caviar. The saltiness is perfect.
Yeah, that's true. Take a look at all this caviar inside.
This reminds me onigiri. A lot of caviar.
So good, Hiro.
Good.
This is delicious. Oh yeah. Wow. That was probably my favorite. The wasabi mayo was delicious. I can taste it there. I love the fact that the salmon's not, the taste really comes from the truffle. The truffle and also the wasabi mayo. And of course the caviar at the very, very end. But that was indeed, I thought the last one would be my favorite. The spicy salmon one, but this was definitely so good. Caviar, nothing here, all empty. Hiro, that was really good.
Yep.
Please, guys, try this at home. So simple, you guys can be a master sushi chef too. It's so easy to do. We'll see you soon.
Yeah. See you next time.